Deep beneath the calm waters of the North Sea hides a scar from outer space, the Silver Pit crater. For more than 20 years, geologists argued, was this circular structure shaped by shifting salt, by volcanic collapse, or by something far more violent? Now, the mystery is solved. Using advanced seismic imaging and microscopic rock analysis, scientists have confirmed, around 43 to 46 million years ago, a giant asteroid slammed into the seabed. Picture this, an object 160 meters wide, crashing at hypervelocity. Within minutes, rock and water exploded more than 1.5 kilometers into the air. A tsunami, taller than a 100-meter wall, raced across the sea. But how do we know it really happened? The answer lies in shocked crystals. Quartz and feldspar fractured in ways only an impact can achieve. These tiny scars are the cosmic fingerprints of catastrophe. And yet, Silver Pit is just one of fewer than 200 confirmed craters on Earth. Only 33 have ever been found beneath the oceans, which makes us wonder, what other cosmic wounds still lie hidden under the waves? This crater joins the ranks of Chicxulub in Mexico, which wiped out the dinosaurs, and Nadir off West Africa. But unlike most, Silver Pit is remarkably well preserved, a time capsule of planetary destruction. So, the haunting question remains, if an asteroid struck our oceans today, what would it do to our fragile world? And more chilling still, what if the next one doesn't miss? What might these discoveries tell us? For the complete news, visit our website. Support us by following and sharing.